The Trim tool is part of the drawing suite. It can be found on the left-hand toolbar. To use this tool, select the geometry which you wish to trim to. You can select the Trim tool before or after selecting the geometry, and then select on the portion of the geometry you wish to remove. You can see this works very quickly, easily. Do note that this tool is persistent, so in order to exit out of that tool, you do need to grab a different tool. You can trim all geometry with this, with the exception of a circle. If you do wish to trim a circle, you can create the circle using two arcs. Just simply make one of those tangent. Select the Trim tool, and as you can see, this now makes a circle that is actually trimmable. Sometimes you will grab for something when you're trimming and miss, in which case the geometry will unhighlight. Simply re-highlight the geometry, you can continue trimming. And this is the Trim tool.